Assalamualaikum friends, today I will discuss how to fix Wi-Fi network not showing up on computer Windows 10. Right click the internet icon, click Open Network and Sharing Center, click Change Adapter Options, right click Wi-Fi and click Enable. Click Search, then type Run, click Run, type service.msc, click OK. Find WLAN autoconfig, right click WLAN autoconfig and click Stop. Right click WLAN autoconfig and click Start. Right click WLAN autoconfig and click Properties. Select Automatic in Startup Type, then click Apply and OK. Thanks for watching.